What a big mess in my garage, man.
I don't think anybody wants to see your face.
That's not very nice. Okay guys, so I had this idea. I just took the chair out, the driver's chair out, and I said, hey, you know what? Why don't I just take the rest of the inside of my car out and put it in a video for you guys to see. As you can see, I have all this mess under the chair and I want to vacuum it all out and clean it and brush it. You see all that dog fur? I haven't cleaned this car in many years because my dog rides in this car. That's a lot of dog fur, and it was way more dog fur. The dog fur literally blanketed the carpet. As you can see, a bunch of fur in here, some fur there, some fur right there, bunch of fur right there. I mean, the whole carpet is carpeted with fur. So I started cleaning it yesterday, but I really got into it an hour ago. I took out my driver's seat, my rear passenger seat. I had an amp in here, I took it out too, and I'm trying to, you know, just organize the wires and everything like that. And I said, hey, why don't I just film this, right? So without further ado, here's a time lapse of me continuing my cleaning journey.
I mean, your disgusting car journey.
You think that's gonna get more views? Look at that. What a mess. Dang. Alright everybody, so this is the inside of my car, the final result. This is as much as I'm gonna tear it out of my car. I'm gonna vacuum all of this and clean it with some wipes and everything and make it nice and pretty and shiny. Look at all that dirt, look. Oh my God. All of that, oh my goodness. Hey look, it's a sandbox in here, look at that. Man. Day number 3, guys. Put my chair back in because you know I needed to drive the car. I could have driven it without the chair, but that's not safe. And I put the back seat back in because actually today I took the dog to the vet and here we go again. More fur. This is only one time of taking into the vet, so I have to re-vacuum. It's not that bad. It's only like 10 minutes of vacuuming, but that's okay, guys. Day number 3.
That's weird. Look at that, huh? That's a weird. Yeah. That's weird. Day number 3. All right, let's go.
What's up, boy? You a happy dog today? How you doing, huh? How was your visit to the vet? You feeling good? Huh? You feeling good, bud? Let's get it started. Wasn't supposed to happen. You set up my dog's leash seatbelt. Dirty. Alright, looking good. Man, this car took forever to clean. Vacuuming and cleaning the door panels and everything, and filming it, nah, that took forever. But thanks for you guys' help. Thanks for cleaning with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Also keep an eye out for my next video, which is probably gonna be about me going over how I clean the seats in my car. Also, Pokemon card unboxings are in the works, so look out for those too. It's your boy What's His Face, and I'm out. Peace.